Santino, your Toy Patrol, and today we're gonna review some egg surprise! Are you excited? So am I! So let's open these! Let's choose. I know, the yellow one, because yellow is my favorite. Ooh! Look what we have! We have a scary man. It's purple. It's very scary. I think it is stick. Its mouth is open. What are you eating? I think he's eating. Eat. Oh, look. He has hands. I wonder what's inside this purple surprise egg. Let's see. We have like a crocodile. More scarier than this one. This one is having a smaller mouth. Kind of small. This one's a little bigger. See, you can see. Let me show you. See, look at the mouth. You can see it. Comparing to this one, look, this mouth is bigger, but this mouth is smaller. Wow, nice difference. Now what do we have at the blue one? I think we have an orange one. Haha, I got it. I guessed what it is. An orange one. See? I'm a dancing, swimming in the water. Let's see. Oh my, wow. A very, very big mouth. I like the eyes. Nice. And very spiky too. Ouch! Now, what do we have in the green one? I saw the eye. So creepy. Oh, I think it's another orange one. Yes, it is. This time it's a big mouth, an orange monster with a big mouth too. Also like this one, he have a big mouth. This one, it looks like the same, but this one have a little bit bigger mouth. You can see it. Pink. Let's try this pink one. Let's see what we have. We have a red. Ooh! Is this a beetle? He looks like a beetle. See? I'm a beetle. You look like a beetle. But you're not a beetle. This dude's fine. He has like a white thing. I don't even know. Next pink surprise egg. Let's see what we have. 2 greens. Jackpot. See? We have another green one. Roar! 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 Creepier than I thought. You're very creepy. I'm gonna put you down. You're too creepy. Let's see what we have in this. A little dark orange. It looks like dark orange. We have a pink one. Yeah, fine for me. It's spiky too. You can see it. Ow! So spiky. Ow. 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 Yellow! I love the last colors. Yay! Another favorite color. Blue! For the color of the sky, I can fly high. The color of the ocean, I can swim too. He can swim because he's blue, and he can fly because he's blue. He's the sky and the ocean. Orange one, I hope, is a favorite. It's my favorite one. Yes! Another blue one! Jackpot again. Another jackpot. Hey. We're buddies. We look just the same. Hey. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I win. He won. This one won. But not the new one. Come on, I should win. Let's put those back. So, last one. Yep, we have another jackpot. Purple one. Yep, we have 2 purple, 2 blues, 2 green, 2 orange. See? We have, whoa. I like the pose. Crawl, cripping. He's cripping. Crip, 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 crip. He's cripping, crip. Did you see him? He was cripping like this. Crip, 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 crip. Roar! I'm creepy. We're creepy. No, we're creepier. They're nice. They don't hurt you. So we have Kyle, Joe, Candice, Faye, Tishalit, Santino, and Tiffy. I think with that. I don't know. It's supposed not to be a girl. They don't have hair. What can I name it? Let's just say Orange 1 and Orange 2. They're brothers. They're brothers with the blue one. Brothers. We have the pink one. He doesn't have a brother. This one's a girl because it's pink. You get it? Get it? So what shall we name it? What could I name the pink one? Gwen. Yeah, Gwen. Fine. Gwen is fine. We're buddies. Buddies forever. No. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to swim. Nom, 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 nom. I'm eating. We can swim too. Oh no, my head is gonna fall off. Oh no, no, puppet friend, don't fall off. No, it's gonna. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, and nice to meet you. Yeah, bye. Nice to meet you. Bye. They say bye, please. Say bye too. Bye. We love to have your fanciness if you're fancy.